Good morning, dear children. Welcome to English class. This is your English teacher, Kumaresan. I hope everyone is doing good. Stay home and stay safe. Starts with today's class with meaningful quote. Yes, children. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Yes, children. I repeat once again. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Followed by this quote, just revise the previous class. In the previous class, we have learnt, yes, the recapitulation of the lesson 1, a hero with a difference, along with a, yes, antonyms. Antonyms we have seen in the previous class. Am I right, children? Okay. In this video, we are going to discuss about nouns. Yes, children, in this video, we are going to discuss about nouns. It comes under the model 1. Yes, model 1. It is in your workbook 1, which is located at your workbook. In nouns, we will learn about common and proper nouns. So in the chapter nouns, we will learn about common and proper nouns. Everything in the world has a name. All names or naming words are called nouns. Yes, children, all names or naming words are called nouns. A noun, name of person, place, animal or thing. If I tell you about a person, place, animal or thing without telling its name, you would not know what or whom I am talking about. Yes, I repeat once again. A noun, names of person, place, animal or thing. If I tell you about a person, place, animal or thing without telling its name, you would not know what or whom I am talking about. A naming word or a noun helps us to recognize it, what is being noun. Yes, a naming word or a noun helps us to recognize it, what is being noun. Let us understand two types of nouns. Yes, now we will begin with the chapter, the two types of noun, common and proper noun. Yes, children, common noun and the proper noun. Look at the following sentences. Ayub and his dog are playing football in the garden. Yes, I repeat the sentence. Ayub and his dog are playing football in the garden. Here, Ayub is the name of the person. Yes, children, Ayub is the name of the person. Dog is the name of an animal. Yeah, it's a name of an animal. Garden is the name of the place. And football is the name of the thing. A name can be common or special. Yes, a name can be common or special. The special names of a noun is called a proper noun. The special names of a noun is called a proper noun. Ayub and his dog are playing in the garden. Here, Ayub is the special name. That could be a proper noun. Proper nouns always begin with capital letters. For example, Ritwik, Redford, Bruno, Dairy Milk. Notice the first letter of all these words, they are all capital letters. Let us now learn about common noun. Just like they are all special name, similarly all nouns have common name too. These common names are called as common nouns. Common nouns name people, place, animal or thing is general. For example, girl, school, cat, blackboard. Common nouns don't begin with capital letters. Let us now to understand what is common nouns are. Look at the example. The boy and his dog are playing in the garden. In the sentence, boy, dog and football, garden are common nouns. Common nouns are not special names. That is why they are called common nouns. But instead of boy and dog, if you say Ayub and Rex are playing football in the garden, these common nouns become proper noun. Let us look at some more examples. This is a dog. His name is Buddy. Dog is the common noun for this animal. Buddy is the special name for this animal. Clear, children? Dog is the common noun for this animal. Buddy is the special name for this animal. So we changed over common noun into proper noun. Second example, Rima is playing with a ball. Rima is the special name for this person. A ball is the common noun for think. Look at the following sentences. This is a man. This is a cow. This is a mountain. This is a car. Here, man, cow, mountain and car are general names of the person, animal, place and thing. There is nothing special about them. Let's change into common nouns to proper noun. This is a man into this is John. This is cow into this is Molly. This is mountain into this is Mount Everest. This is a car into this is a Maruti. Did you observe all common nouns become proper nouns? Remember, all proper nouns begin with the capital letters, but common nouns don't begin with the capital letters. Let us see other kinds of proper nouns. Names of people, cities, days, months, festival, holidays and books are proper nouns. Let's look at the each one's example. People, Suman, Peter, Jamal. Cities, Jaipur, Delhi, Agra. Boys, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. Months, January, February and December. Festivals, Diwali, Ramzan and Christmas. Holidays, Independence Day and Republic Day. Books, Harry Potter and Jungle Book. So these all about other kind of proper nouns. Begin with capital letters alone. To revise, let us take a look at few of most commonly used nouns of each kind that learnt. Common nouns: women, rabbit, school and ball. Proper nouns: Rita, Tweety, Rose and Chennai. So these all about the other kinds of common and proper nouns we have been using at the regular days. Right, children? These all about today's class about common and proper nouns. How do you find out common nouns and proper nouns? Nothing, children. Proper names are special names. Common names are we are generally called it as. Okay, so this is all about today's class. After completing this class, I have given the Google form test. So kindly find the link and complete the test without fail. Thank you children. If you have any doubt or any clarification with me, just use the oral test time. Use the oral test. You can ask your question and clarify your doubts as soon. Thanks for watching. Stay home and stay safe. See you.